Hello, my name is Leonardo Blonda and I teach at Istituto Marangoni, the program Luxury Brand Management. I've started teaching at Istituto Marangoni, London, communication, and then I moved on to teach research methods and sociology of fashion.
Hi there, my name is Andrea Mesaros, I'm 27 years old and I'm a student in fashion and luxury brand management at Istituto Marangoni. I did my BA in economics and after that I started to work in a financial field. Did many different works in regards to finance and economics, and after that I realized that actually I want to work in fashion, and therefore I wanted to find an MA course for myself that is suitable for my management skills but also gives the fashion opportunity and maybe gives me an opportunity as well to meet people who work in the fashion industry. Therefore I chose to study fashion and luxury brand management, which is actually a very good mixture of the two, gives an insight into the fashion field but also looks at it from the business perspective.
Fashion luxury brand management is one of the first two masters that we've started teaching at Istituto Marangoni, and it's focused on the managerial aspect of fashion. It's focused on the relation between fashion and society and addresses a variety of aspects that range from fashion and communication, fashion and society, fashion and business. Students starting their course in luxury brand management at Istituto Marangoni, London, they need to have a great passion for fashion and need to have a background in fashion business and fashion management.
Within the course we had a lot of opportunities to actually see the entire fashion industry in pieces, slices. So we had courses which were related to production or design, but also something with economics, as well as creative industries, media, a lot of Photoshop design and marketing, which was really good for us because we actually got quite a big insight to the industry, see each and every slice of it and had the chance to decide which area suits us more.
Alongside a passion for fashion, students studying luxury brand management need to be independent learners, critical learners and proactive learners. That is to say that they have to nurture their interest for fashion, and teachers will provide them with the guidance through the 3 terms that the course is comprised of. One of the aspects that characterises the course in luxury brand management at Istituto Marangoni, London is the close links with the industry. In fact, during the 3 terms the students will have to attend at Istituto Marangoni, London, there will be a number of industry-based projects that the student will have to carry out following a brief from the industry, but also the close supervision of different teachers. The program Luxury Brand Management provides students with an in-depth understanding of the workings of the fashion industry, and therefore you are not bound or boxed into the management of a fashion industry, but you literally have access to any sort of position in the fashion industry.
The school, the class was very diverse, so there were students from the entire world, from Panama, from Italy, from the UK. So you could meet very different cultures and you had the chance to actually get used to these cultures and work in teams which were very different. And that I think is one of the biggest things I learned from this course, that we always need to work in teams, and it's really good to have a taste of it right before we start working in the industry.
A student willing to study luxury brand management at Istituto Marangoni needs to have a passion for fashion and have high expectations.
To the students or candidates who would like to apply for this course, or they start actually studying at this course, I would suggest to take out the most of it, to actually try to participate in each and every possibility event. There are a lot of extracurricular activities, there are things that you might never heard of and you have the opportunity to participate straight away without any risks. And after that, when you finish your course, you will have all that knowledge, which will be amazing, and you will stand out with those skills that other students didn't even think about.
I'm Marta, I'm Spanish, I'm 30 years old and I have been graduated in Fashion and Luxury Brand Management. Actually, I'm working as an international PR at Suruk, that is on the luxury accessories and jewelry field. I started an internship at Suruk company and after I have been engaged. So I'm working on the PR department. I'm in contact with the press, with the influencer to try to have as much awareness possible to the brand. We try to do a product placement, we try to also be really involved on the social media and we are trying to do our best. What I remember when I was studying here is that the programs were really updated with the social problems, the fashion problems that were happening now, and the teachers actually were working at the same time, so they could answer to us about all the things that were happening. And for me, the master was the perfect mix between creativity, between this fashion that was happening now, and also about the strategy. What I liked the most about Istituto Marangoni method was the practical approach to fashion, because actually we were working directly with designers and brands that give to us real cases. We were like giving the first step into the working life, and this method was really interesting to be in contact with what is happening now. I remember the first time I saw somebody that I really love their style and the way to dress and their work that I really appreciate. I saw her on the first time when I opened the door at 9 in the morning when we were making our press day. And then was Carlotta Odi coming into the door and was really like, so Justin Bieber arriving, and because was the total panic because we were not ready. It was 9 in the morning, we were just arriving. Suruk, the designer, was not there, so we were quite panicking. Everybody tried to fix everything and try to make her the visit more comfortable and try to solve the problem. I would recommend you as an old student of Marangoni that if you have the passion, just come to share with us. You have to work hard, you have to push your creativity, and you have the best platform here, so just come, do it, because people want to be amazed.